Man, what's up, cuz? The refrigerator rap. Man, what's up, cuz? The refrigerator rap. Something all in the refrigerator. Put out some cheese. 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 Then I'm out in the refrigerator. Put out some milk. 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 Out in the refrigerator with some ketchup. Ketchup. Slow down and ketchup. Out in the refrigerator. Got some more milk. Big ass milk. It's a big ass milk. Man, I'm out in the refrigerator. What else we got in this bitch? Crackers, the fuck? Out in the refrigerator, got some fucking crackers. 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 Out in the refrigerator, got some pie crust. Pie crust. Out in the refrigerator, got some... Damn. We need to play closer, man. Fuck it. Out in the refrigerator, 3 Musketeers. What the fuck is doing here? What the fuck is doing here? Out in the refrigerator, got some fucking jelly. Jelly. You ready, motherfucker? Got some jelly. Out in the refrigerator, Damn, man, shit. Okay. Out in the refrigerator, got some fucking cheap ass juice. Shit, fuck with. Out in the refrigerator,